Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul, you guys. What's shown is some toilet paper, a pack of paper plates, a pack of napkins. So we'll just jump right in. I got some hand sanitizer, needed some more of that with all the sickness going around. My Palmolive, the almond milk and blueberry, favorite one ever. Needed to get another one of those. I got some of the disinfectant wipes, once again with all the code and flu going around. The flu has already hit the house once, strep, also ear infection, a double one by the way, and I have been sick as well. Still getting over the darn crud. But I got some more of the disinfectant wipes, and LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent. I like that one, I really do. Last time I got fabric sheets, so I didn't need those this time. I got some Good Sense handle bags. Love those. Needed those garbage bags. Just needed a roll of aluminum foil. You get 40 square feet. It's not the greatest, but it gets the job done. Just needed to line pans and for leftovers, so it's perfect. Still speaking of the sickness here, I need to restock the cabinet again. So I got the severe code multi-symptom 12 capsules in here, so 6 doses from the Assured brand. Multi-symptom daytime liquid capsules, and there's 10 in here, so 5 doses. Also, with spring coming, I just wanted some new stuff for the kitchen, so I got some of these scrubby dishcloths. I use sponges to wash the dishes. I'm going to use these as cleaning rags. It's just that pretty teal print. And then I got a new dish towel, and it says, "It's so good to be home." And it's great. Honestly, I just wanted it because it was great. Also from Homewares, I got a new placemat. I love this. And I think it's just perfect to film on top of. And it's very springy, so I definitely wanted to grab that. And one last thing from Housewares, I got a ribbed floor mat. Just looks like this. It's pretty thin, but for $1 from Stationery and the Teacher's Corner there, I found Connor more workbooks, and I don't care if some of these are repurchased workbooks, it still keeps him on his toes, and he, will go through them. So, this is for 4+, Let's Practice Letters and Sound. This is a new one to us, so it goes through A to Z. Learn consonant sounds and learn short vowel sounds. So I thought this was a good idea. And then he has, I got him the Disney Numbers and Counting book, and it has countings and writing number. And then I know he has some alphabet books, but I picked up another one because you can never really have too many to practice with and do workbook sheets. So I picked up that. And then, just for fun, I thought this award system might give him a little bit more incentive too. And so I just picked it up. I got the one that says Superstar. And you get 4 award sticker sheets and 10 award sheets. So you get 10 of these and 4 sticker pages. Honestly, you really can't beat that. And I just thought that would be kind of fun. So, because he likes stickers and stuff, so, And sometimes at church they reward them with star stickers when they've been really good at the end of church service or Sunday school. And he loves it. So I thought, man, he probably would like that. And we got one of these 6x8 inches stretched canvas. And I saw this idea to tape off certain areas of it and let them go to town with paint and create an art piece. And I thought that would be perfect for the living room because I'm getting ready to start some spring cleaning stuff and go through some stuff and rearrange and add some new decorations. So I grabbed that. For myself, I found this Crayola calligraphy book and easily learn the art of Crayola calligraphy. I don't know, I thought this was so neat, and I love learning how to write in new ways. I love artsy kind of style writing, so I'm excited on that. And they had new little notebooks, and I actually did need a new notebook, and I got the Little But Fierce, and has like a marble print. Fierce is in pink, the little but is gold. just a wired whole notebook. You get 60 sheets. So they had girl power and something about strength, I believe. But I just really like this one because I'm only 5'1", so I'm really short. So I thought this was very fitting for me. Lots of seasonal items, you guys. Now these two items that I'm going to show first, I think they're available most of the time, but it's a paint and display from Mickey, and it's paint sun catchers. I just grabbed this for an activity to do when it's warm outside, non-Easter related. Also, we found these cars, and they have 80 little Lego blocks in there, and he loves Legos, so I thought that was a neat find. And now into the seasonal stuff. I did pick him some stuff, several things up for Easter. Some of this will be to do before Easter. You'll see the items that we'll probably be doing a lot of the crafty stuff first. But I got this little egg thing. It's got these little like candy pieces in there. They look like knockoff M&Ms. This bobblehead bunny has jelly beans in there. The lady said they'd already restocked Easter stuff twice, so I wanted to get on getting some of this. This has just got little candies in there too. So, picked up that one too for him. I got a pirate egg decorating kit, which is, I thought was really cute. He likes pirates too, so you get 2 hat sheets, 2 sticker sheets, and 1 fuzzy hair. So I think he'll be kind of excited to do this. Picked him up. This is for the Easter basket. Bunny glasses. Easter basket. Ducky bubbles. This will probably do before. It's a ceramic painting set. And we got the bunny. And we got this flying disc. It's just a carrot. And just lots of fun little simple stuff. We got this coloring paint set. And we'll do this before Easter. So this is not a part of the basket. It has 9 pieces. So you get 6 paints, a paintbrush, and 2 coloring sheets there. So I found this pinball game. How cute. I just thought I had to jump on the Easter stuff. I mean, she said it was flying off the shelves, and typically I miss out on a lot of the Easter stuff because just it's wiped out by the time I get to the DollarTree. So I stocked up, and his basket's pretty much done. Maybe I might add a blind bag or something to it, but it's pretty much done. I found these stamp markers, and he likes art kind of stuff, so you get a marker and you get a stamped roller ball on top. And then I found this little cute tic-tac-toe game, and I just thought that was so adorable, and I think that he'll really enjoy that. And change the angles because I wanted to share beauty stuff with you. And before I forget, Connor did get one of those little bitty tiny mini guitars, and he got one of those funny echoey sounding microphones, and he already took off with that stuff. So he did get those. Those are at the DollarTree like all the time. He just grabbed those. So I did find some new beauty items. This is not new, but Connor just loves bath bombs. So I picked him up the French lavender and citrus from Bolero. There's 3 in here for $1. Can't beat it. They smell awesome. Super moisturizing on the skin. And he just loves all that fizzy stuff. He's had no skin irritations or anything like that using the Bolero products. So I'll continue to get those. Now, I did find some new Wet n Wild items at the DollarTree. Now, typically these retail, I think, for about $4 or $5 at Walmart. So I don't know if they're doing away with them or what. I think they had about 6 different shades to choose from. But honestly, I opened them, looked at them. Some of them seem very sheer and watery. I don't know anything about gel polishes, but I did pick up 2. So these are the No Light Needed. And these are my first gel polishes. They are the One Step Wonder Gel. They didn't have Step 1 or the, top coat or whatever. So this is the Step 1 color. They didn't have number 2. But Lavender Out Loud. Beautiful. Beautiful shade. Let's see. It's so beautiful. What a blunder right on camera. Anyways, the second one I got is a peach coral shade, no surprise, and it's called Pardon My Peach. And I'm going to try to get this one open without doing that again. This one is very beautiful. I love peach shades, especially in the spring and summer, so I grabbed that one, $1 each in comparison to what they retail for. Heck yeah. So last and final items I found were new from LaColors. So I got all the shades that they had, and these are called Mermaid Shimmer Shadow Pencils. Has a built-in sharpener, and I've used these double-ended stuff in the past. They're okay, but these could be a new formula. So this one is in Sandcastle. So both sides are shimmery pencils. They're double-ended pencils, shadow pencils, so you get 2 shades in one. This one has like a pink gold one and a shimmery candlelight kind of shade. Next up is Seashell, and it has like a light lavender color and a darker kind of almost looks to be maybe swatched like a burgundy, possibly. So these will be in the next swatch video. Stay tuned for that. The next one is called Splash. There's a purple end and a navy end. I'm definitely excited to use these. And here's Surfside. So you get a purple shade, which is a lighter, and it's going to have a blue undertone, looks like. And you get a teal side. So in comparison to that purple, this purple is definitely darker in Splash than the Surfside. But I was really excited to find those. Hadn't seen anybody haul them either. And they had some other new stuff, but I just wasn't interested in more contour and powder kind of products. But the shadow pencils definitely interested in. Hope you enjoyed the haul, everybody. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls and reviews and tutorials using all the new makeup stuffs. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you always for watching, and stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos.